the term of the president actually. No? What we also need to understand is yung mga nag-surrender na mga tao, whether armed o kaya yung kanilang supporters, are now receiving so much help support from the government. They have housing, they have training from TESDA, and they have individual economic packages for them to start their lives again. And we hope that this would snowball para yung mga nasa baba, nasa taas ng mga kasama nila would realize that futile na yung ginagawa nila, the problems that they've been hyping about is being addressed by government. It just takes a little bit more time, but the government, I believe, is addressing it. Para hindi na kailangan magbarilan dun sa mundo. From our part, sa armed forces, we're doing everything in terms of trying to secure na yung ating countryside, but with what the government is doing right now, it's hastening yung pagpapasuko at rebuilding yung mga communities po na conflict areas. So this is the most important thing that we need to note, that we're getting there. It's just taking a little